daily practice for English.
Good morning. Time to wake up.
Dad, I am tired. 5 more minutes.
No, it is 7 o'clock. Get up now.
Okay. I am awake.
Good. Go wash your face.
Dad, where is my towel?
It is on the chair. Look there.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Hurry up. Breakfast is ready.
What is for breakfast today?
Eggs and bread. Come quickly.
I love eggs. I am coming.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I will do it now.
Good. Always brush your teeth in the morning.
I know, Dad. You say that every day.
Because it is important. Healthy teeth are good.
Okay, Dad. I understand.
After breakfast, get dressed for school.
My school shirt is clean, right?
Yes, I washed it yesterday.
You are the best, Dad.
Thank you, son. Now hurry.
Dad, is it cold outside today?
A little. Take your jacket.
Okay, I will take the blue one.
Good choice. Are you ready?
Almost. Give me 2 minutes.
All right. I will wait for you downstairs.
Coming, Dad. Coming.
Tom, where is my pen? I left it here.
I do not know, Dad. I did not take it.
It was on the table. Did you move it?
No, I did not touch it.
Tom, please do not lie to me.
I am not lying. I am telling the truth.
Okay, I am sorry. I should not say that.
Dad, I feel sad when you say that.
You are right. That was wrong of me. I am sorry.
It is okay, Dad. I forgive you.
Let us look for the pen together.
Okay, let me check the sofa.
I will check my jacket pocket.
Dad, I found it! It was under the cushion.
Oh, thank you, Tom. Good job.
See? I did not take it.
You are right. I am sorry again.
No problem, Dad. Everyone makes mistakes.
You are very kind, Tom. I am proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. I learned that from you.
Did you? That makes me happy.
Dad, can we play a game now?
Yes. What do you want to play?
Cards. I love cards.
All right. Get the cards from the drawer.
I already have them. I was ready.
You are always one step ahead.
That is because I am smart, like my dad.
Come here. Give me a hug.
Okay, but I am still going to win the game.
Tom, how was school today?
It was okay. A little hard.
What was hard?
Math. I do not understand division.
Show me your homework. I will help you.
Okay, here it is.
This is not so difficult. Let me show you.
Please explain it slowly, Dad.
Sure. Division means sharing equally.
Sharing? Like sharing food?
Exactly. If you have 10 apples and 2 friends, how many does each friend get?
5. Each friend gets 5 apples.
Perfect. That is division. 10 divided by 2 is 5.
Oh, now I understand. It is easy.
See? You just needed a good example.
Thank you, Dad. You explain very well.
Tom,
The exam is tomorrow. Are you ready?
I think so, but I am nervous, Dad.
It is normal to be nervous. Take a deep breath.
Okay, like this?
Yes. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly.
That feels a little better.
Good. Now tell me, what subjects is the exam on?
English, math, and science.
Which one are you worried about?
Science. I do not remember all the names of planets.
Let us review them now.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Excellent! You know all 8. Well done.
I know them. I was worried for nothing.
You studied well. Trust yourself. Welcome home, Tom. How did it go?
Dad! Dad! I got my results.
That is wonderful. I am so proud of you.
I passed. I passed all 3 subjects.
That is great.
I got 90 in math, Dad,
All those planets paid off, I see.
and 85 in science.
That is excellent news. All good scores.
Yes, I remembered all 8.
For what, son?
The teacher said I write well.
You did the work, Tom. I only helped a little.
Dad, I want to say thank you for helping me study, for believing in me.